Okay, so in this video, we will demonstrate all the different actions you can take with lists and cards. So let's go over into our sales training board, and you'll notice from the last time that I've added a few more lists and a few more cards. So let's start with this first list, conduct a needs analysis. You'll notice on the corner right, top right, the three little dots there on all of the lists. If you click on that, it gives you further actions you can take for this list, such as adding a card. You can add here, just like you can add outside down here. You can copy a list, you can move a list, you can watch a list, you can sort, move and archive. And just a note here, archive for Trello really means putting something in the trash, deleting. It serves as the delete function. So whatever you want to get rid of, you would archive it. So let's do an example, show an example. Let's say we wanted to copy this entire list, our first list. Let's copy that. Let's just keep the name the same. Let's create this list. So you see here we have a duplication of our first list. See, that was a mistake. Let's go ahead and archive this list. And there, it's gone. So you've basically put it in the trash. The other functions you can do with within a list. Let's say you wanted to move this list from its position of 1 to maybe position 3. So it'll be card number 3 instead of card number 1. Click move. And as you can see, conduct a needs analysis and now in position 3 instead of position 1. That's the move function. Let's go ahead and move that back to position 1. And it's back. The other thing I wanted to show you is the watch function. Watching is basically assigning yourself onto that particular list to follow all activities. You can unwatch by clicking that again. And then for cards themselves, you can edit them or see their actions by clicking or hovering and seeing the little pencil sign. You can click on that and the screen darkens and the white box appears with your card and these options or actions on the right, such as editing labels, which we'll show in another video, changing members or adding members. Moving, the move function serves the same as in the list. It asks you where you want to move, what position you want to move the cards. So up and down is the movement of cards. Copying is the same. You want to copy the same or change it and add it to the cards. Changing a due date and archiving. So you see here, archive is basically deleting. And click out of it. So, and those are the many things you can do. There are sort of the different actions you can take within a list and within cards. Also, a nifty thing, if you wanted to view your card, so cards have two faces, right? This is considered the front face of the card. If you just tap once, the card opens up and this appears, and it really is almost like the back of a card. So the interview sales director card, these are all the functions that are within this card. Its description, adding comments and sending to people, and all the things to do in the card are on the right. All the actions and additions. So I just wanted to show you that. And we'll close that. And that would be all for actions for cards and lists.